On a hot day, a mighty lion was peacefully napping under a large tree in the jungle. Suddenly, a tiny mouse in search of food accidentally ran over his nose. Startled awake, the lion caught the mouse in his paw. "How dare you disturb my sleep?" he roared. Trembling, the mouse pleaded, "Please, mighty lion, spare my life. If you let me go, I promise to help you someday." Amused by the mouse's promise, the lion decided to let her go. "You amuse me, little one. Run along and be more careful next time," he said, releasing her. Grateful, the mouse scurried away. Days later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but the more he fought, the tighter the net became. Hearing his roars, the mouse rushed to help. The mouse began gnawing at the ropes with her sharp teeth. Bit by bit, she freed the lion. Grateful, the lion said, "Thank you, little friend. You've shown that even the smallest creatures can help." The mouse replied, "No act of kindness is ever wasted.